friends, welcome to Salome. Friends, today I'm here with a review of the latest launch by MAC Cosmetics and none other than the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color, and the shade which I picked is 992 Resort Season. Friends, MAC has 15 shades in this range and all the shades, trust me, looks so attractive and beautiful that you feel like picking all of them, but in the starting you have to pick at least one or two, and I picked one, and this is a bright orange shade, and the price of this lipstick is rupees 2200, that is 2200. Yes, it's quite high, but it's MAC, so it's worth it. The quantity of the product is 5 ml and the shelf life is 2 years. These are available online on MAC stores and as well as on Nykaa. I got this from Nykaa. And now let's talk about its packaging. The outer packaging, the outer cardboard packaging, as you can see, is color coded here, and the corner and rest is the same classic packaging, all the ingredients written on it and everything. Now let's open it, and here comes the beautiful tube from inside. This is a glass tube with a matte finish, as you can see. The cap is also of the matte finish, the details written here and the name of the range written here. Now let's talk about the applicator, guys. Applicator, as you can see, oh my god, lots of product is there. Actually, this is happening with this lip color. Lots of products come along with the applicator because of the shape of the applicator, which is a hourglass shape applicator. Now here you can see this, still the product is there. Have a clear look. It is an hourglass shape applicator. I mean, the brand claims that this shape of applicator will just hug your lips and will give you the ease of application, and trust me, it does. You can see during my application video, so let's watch the application video. My video where I applied this not only on my lips but also on my cheeks as a blush, because yes, it blends beautifully. Not only as a blush, you can also use it on your eyes as a eyeshadow base, like an eyeshadow creamy base, because it blends beautifully. Now let's talk about the texture of the lip color. Guys, this lip color is a matte lipstick and with a powder finish, so it does not dry your lips at all, and it is very lightweight on your lips. As you can see on my lips, it looks very moisturizing and doesn't dry the lips at all. Yes, it does transfer because it doesn't dry, so it transfers. But one more thing is that you don't need that makeup remover to remove this lipstick. You just wipe it off and it goes off. It is water resistant but not waterproof, of course. So these are the pros of the lipstick, and now let's talk about the con of the lipstick. And I found only one con, and that is that in the corners of the lips it just becomes a bit powdery, or it just accumulates there like little particles of powder, and you just have to set it again and again with the finger. But it's okay, like it's manageable. And now let's talk about the staying power, guys. It stays for about 5 to 6 hours. Even if you eat, even if you drink water, it will transfer on the glass, but the tint remains perfectly. So friends, this is all about the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color from MAC Cosmetics, the newly launched lip color by them, and I'm a proud owner of this lip color. And if you have already tried it, so please give me and please share the views if I have missed any points in my comment section, and do like the video if you are satisfied with the review. And if any new viewers watching us, please do subscribe to our channel, as it will help a lot to us. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye.